Let's now dive into our featured story of the day. Rich Dad author Robert Kiyosaki projects Bitcoin hitting 350,000 this month in August. That's right. I'll actually share his tweets with you. And he also projects Bitcoin hitting $10 million per coin. So I'm going to be sharing the latest here from Robert Kiyosaki. Welcome everyone to the live stream just joining us. Make some noise, blow up the likes, and repost this, spread the word. I appreciate it. So yeah, there's a couple of new headlines and some new articles. Rich Dad Poor Dad author names $1 trillion reason to buy Bitcoin. I'm going to be reading that $1 trillion reason for you. Another headline reads, Robert Kiyosaki predicts Bitcoin will hit 350,000 in 2 days by Sunday, August 25th. Crazy. Anyways, let's start with some of the tweets. Also, one of the analysts here, Vivek, says you aren't bullish enough, and it shows you Bitcoin on a trajectory to 335,000 per coin. I shared that around now because that's in alignment with Kiyosaki's $350,000 prediction. So let's start with this particular post. This post was shared originally back on June 5th, 2024. It got 3.6 million views. I'm going to read it to you verbatim, word for word. Bitcoin will be $350,000 by August 25th, 2024 is not a lie. FYI, that's in 2 days. It's a prediction, it's speculation, it's an opinion, but it is not a lie. It is a sucker's bait, but it is not a lie because any prediction about the future is not a lie. I want $350,000 Bitcoin to be a fact, and I want it to be true, but it is only a prediction. I am confident Bitcoin will hit $350,000 sometime in 2024, but it is only a target, a dream, and a wish. I keep buying more Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana because quite certain their prices will continue to rise. Why am I so confident? It is because I am certain about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana? My answer is no. What I am confident of is the incompetence of our leaders. President Biden, Treasury Secretary Yellen, and Fed Chairman Jerome Powell. Those are the three stooges in real life. And I am certain I am very confident about their incompetence. Take care. Buy more gold, silver, Bitcoin, Solana, and Ethereum. Protect yourself from the three stooges. Amen. I agree that those are the three stooges. The only thing I disagree with, I'd focus all my attention on stacking the biddy. I can care less, just personally, about gold, silver, Ethereum, and Solana, but that's just me. Let me know your thoughts, yo. And here's another tweet, but this one was, I believe, even more recently. Let's timestamp it for you guys. No, it was around that time, July 3rd, 2024. It also got 1 million views, but this is pretty lit. He says, boom, going bust. Technical charts indicate the biggest crash in history coming. Prices of real estate, stocks, bonds, gold, silver, and Bitcoin crash. Great news, good time to buy bargains will follow. Technical charts indicate major long-term bull market cycle will follow. Start in the bull market climb in late 2025, raising prices for years to come. This bull market cycle is boom, gold, silver, and Bitcoin investors have been waiting for. Their patience will be rewarded. This is the long-term bull market cycle they had new to come. They know it has come because the U.S. is the biggest debtor nation in history. They know this long cycle bull market is coming because they know faith and confidence in fake money is dissolving. That's right. The floor is lava. That's why we throw our dollars in the lava. They know the history will repeat. They know what happened in Germany's Reichsmark and the Zimbabwe dollar. They know that more and more people are finally waking up. They know after the crash, the long cycle bull market for gold, silver, and Bitcoin will begin. They know after the crash, gold, silver, and Bitcoin will once again begin climbing to hit new all-time highs. Now, this is the most interesting part of the tweet. Gold, possibly 15,000 an ounce, keyword, possibly. Silver, possibly $110 an ounce, keyword, possibly. Now, notice for Bitcoin. Bitcoin easily to 10 million per coin. Notice he didn't say possibly. The keyword, easily. That means he has the most confidence in Bitcoin. And risk to reward ratio, would you rather have a gold bar right now or whatever, an ounce of gold is maybe 2,000-ish in that ballpark, and you have the potential to 7x to go to 15,000? Or would you rather stack the biddy at 60,000-ish and have the potential to hit 10 million? I mean, it's a no-brainer, clearly. That's why I say I'd only focus on Bitcoin versus all these other things. But this is not investment advice. Everything I share on this stream is for entertainment purposes only. Just FYI. They know to be patient. They know their time has arrived. Take care. And that's coming again directly from Rich Dad, Robert Kiyosaki. Now for the latest, this article was just published. He also makes some more bold predictions. So let's cover it. He once again addresses with his audience that America goes $1 trillion in debt every 100 days. That's true. His tweet is focused on that. And Kiyosaki reminded the community that gold, silver, and Bitcoin, he believes all three of those assets are the safe havens, are able to withstand inflation and keep one's funds and savings intact over time. And it is the high time to buy them. Yeah, it couldn't be a better time. In fact, he just tweeted 2 days ago, how much is a trillion? A trillion seconds was 31,688 years ago. Whoa. America goes $1 trillion in debt every 100 days. Whoa. Now, do you know why you must buy gold, silver, and Bitcoin? Hell yeah, I understand why I must buy Bitcoin. Kiyosaki began tweeting about the U.S. national debt last year after several U.S. banks collapsed. Remember the regional banking crisis, including Silicon Valley, Signature, and Silvergate banks, and the U.S. government removed the 31 trillion ceiling for the debt. And since then, it began expanding faster than ever before. That's right. And of course, 350,000 prediction I already shared with you. I think it's a given. I don't believe it will necessarily happen this year. Is it possible? 100%. Anything's possible. Bitcoin has no top. Fiat has no bottom. But I think 350,000 very doable for 2025. I believe the cycle peak will be anywhere from 222,000 as a potential bear to as high as 750,000 for a potential bull. But I want to know your thoughts. I want to know your predictions. I want to know your projections. And welcome to the Q&A segment of the live stream. I'm going to be reading everyone's comments out loud. Let's freaking go. Shout out everyone just joining the stream. I see we got 1,500 people already here. Live and in the flesh. We blowing up. That's right. Welcome, everybody. Man, that was felt like I shared a lot of words today, speaking like a million miles per minute just to get it done. But we're right on time because I like to get the content done within the first hour of the stream. Right on the money. It's 5:02. So yeah, let's get it. Now we're going to do Q&A for the next hour. This is the not uncensored yet. We're about to flip it to the uncensored segment of the show, but I'll stick around for a few minutes on the YouTube. Then we'll end the YouTube stream and we'll continue with the uncensored version of the pod on X and Rumble. And we'll be premiering brand new music video called Bitcoin Kids, my new favorite song, hands down, and another banger that is really new as well that you guys are going to enjoy. Collaborations between Chandy and I. And make sure to subscribe to her channel, Chandy10 Music. Follow her on X, Chandy R. Gregory, and show her some love as well. Let's get it. Back from our daily walk. Let's get it. Okay, good. Let's get it. How in the world do two trains crash head on? Did that really just happen? 117 million in the Biddy shorts got liquidated today. Even Bitcoin holds for the next 28 days. Another 4 billion will face the same fate. Let's go. Crypto surge. Yeah, man. More often than the 10 p.m. before the South Africa, the free Ross. Free Ross. Trump gets elected, he will free Ross. That's his promise to the American people. Let's free that mofo. He's been locked up, serving 2 life sentences for some BS for being an early Bitcoin adopter. Crazy world we live in, yo. He needs to be pardoned. Needs to be pardoned. JV, what do we call people who hold fiat? Those who treat fiat as a store of value? Let's see what Michael Saylor has to say.
But like most of the people who are buying assets at some point want to sell the assets at a profit.
Not the CNA fam. We HODL gang members. HODL for life.
People that use fiat